Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my new listing in East Dallas. Just one-of-a-kind transformation. We got here 4-bedroom, 2 full bathrooms, transformation from literally floor all the way to the ceiling. Everything here is completely brand new. Are you ready to be amazed? Come join me. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this gourmet kitchen. Amazing for meal preparations and cooking. Featuring these beautiful 3cm countertops, quartz of course, matching with those nice beautiful backsplashes, shaker style cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, everything lined up in place, adjacent to this beautiful breakfast nook. And just in front of all this beautiful family room and living area, this home has so much to offer. Ladies and gentlemen, the backyard with this stunning covered patio and this brand new wood deck. Amazing for entertainment. This home has so much to offer. We're talking about entertainment, we're talking about location, Castellinda Shopping Center just around the corner, and we got the Arboretum a few minutes away, the Botanical Gardens for entertainment. And if you want to enjoy a 0.22 acre lot, this is it. Look at that, so much space to entertain your family, your friends. This home has so much to offer. Book your appointment, call the Lankri agency. From our Lankri, a trusted broker. Join us, you won't regret.